Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry teacher for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed potassium dichromate. It is a chromium oxidizing agent. Now see the next one, Seret reagent. Seret reagent means it is a 1:2 complex of 1:2 complex of chromium trioxide CrO3 and pyridine in pyridine solvent. Chromium trioxide CrO3 and pyridine are mixed in 1:2 ratio to form a complex in pyridine solvent. This reagent is called Seret reagent. It is useful for the oxidation of primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. So in this way we can stop the oxidation process up to carbonyl compounds. But the disadvantage of this reagent is separation of product from pyridine solvent. Separation of product from pyridine solvent is difficult. So this is the main disadvantage. In oxidation process of primary alcohols, we can get aldehydes. The separation of this aldehyde from pyridine solvent becomes difficult. That's why this reagent was modified by another scientist, Collins. Say this next reagent. Collins reagent. It is the modification of Seret's reagent. It is the modification of Seret reagent. So here 1:2 in Collins reagent, 1:2 complex of CrO3 chromium trioxide and pyridine in CH2Cl2 solvent. Small difference. In Seret reagent, solvent is pyridine. In Collins reagent, solvent is CH2Cl2, dichloromethane. So here also chromium trioxide and pyridine are mixed in 1:2 ratio to form a complex in CH2Cl2 solvent. This Collins reagent is very useful and it is used for the oxidation of alcohols containing acid sensitive groups. Acid sensitive groups. If an alcoholic compound containing acid sensitive groups, then for the oxidation of those compounds, Collins reagent is useful. What is acid sensitive group? See here. Acid sensitive group. The groups acid sensitive group means the groups which are electron donors are called acid sensitive groups. The groups which can donate electrons to other substances are called acid sensitive groups. These are basic in nature. According to Lewis theory, acid means electron pair acceptor, base means electron pair donor. Here Groups which can donate electrons are called acid sensitive groups. Example for this, NH3, NH3, comma, OH group, and alkenes, alkynes, these type of groups. So double bonds and triple bonds, OH group, NH3, these are considered as acid sensitive groups because these groups and alkenes and alkynes can donate electrons to other substances. So these are donating electrons means these are basic in nature according to Lewis theory. Next, base sensitive groups. Base sensitive groups. The groups, base sensitive groups means the groups which are in need of electrons. The groups which are in need of electrons are called base sensitive groups. Example for this: halogens, COOH and BH3. These are acidic in nature. In BH3, boron having empty orbital, it is ready to accept electron. So in this way, it is considered as base sensitive groups. The groups which are in need of electrons, which groups require electrons are called base sensitive groups. So these groups can accept electrons means these are acidic in nature. Example, halogens, COOH, BH3. So here Collins reagent is useful for the oxidation of alcohols containing acid sensitive groups. That means alcoholic group containing double bond or triple bond, those double bond and triple bond are not affected by this Collins reagent. See the reactions. Cyclohexene having OH, it is treated with Collins reagent CrO3 2C5H5N. This is pyridine formula, C5H5N in CH2Cl2. Then we can get this one. Keto group. OH group is converted to keto group. Next, see this next example, CH2 twice, CH double bond CH, CH2O. It is treated with Collins reagent. Then we can get aldehyde. But double bond remains intact. There is no change in the double bond. Only primary alcohol is changed to aldehyde. Next, any other functional group is there other than aldehyde, primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Those groups are not affected by this Collins reagent. See this example. Methyl, here OCOCH3, this one double bond. Now this compound is oxidized by Collins reagent. Then what is the product? Only this group is converted to aldehyde. This double bond CH2 and this acetate group remains as it is. Methyl OCOCH3, this one CHO. So in this way, Collins reagent can oxidize only primary alcohol and secondary alcohol. Primary alcohol to aldehyde, secondary alcohols to ketone. So it is a selective oxidizing agent. Next one is fourth one, Corey's reagent. Corey's reagent. It is obtained by chromium trioxide, pyridine, HCl, and methylene chloride. See this 1:1:1 complex of CrO3 and pyridine and HCl in CH2Cl2 solvent. So Coris reagent means 1:1:1 complex of CrO3 and pyridine and HCl in CH2Cl2 solvent. It is a highly selective reagent. By using this Coris reagent also, we can stop the oxidation of primary alcohols to aldehydes and secondary alcohols to ketones. Further oxidation we can stop. So it is a highly selective reagent. It is also useful for the selective oxidation of alcohols containing acid sensitive groups. Selective for oxidation of alcohols containing acid sensitive groups. That means this Coris reagent also does not affect double bond or triple bond present in the given compound. Example for this, say this CHOH C6H5 PCC. Coris reagent are simply called pyridinium chlorochromate, simply called PCC. So Coris reagent or PCC, both are same. Then this secondary alcohol is oxidized to keto group in this way. So this is the oxidation of secondary alcohols to ketones by Coris reagent. Thank you, students.